Welcome back to your hub and welcome to the series of lectures in gate concept, and we were discussing flight mechanics. And in the previous lectures we discussed about drag polar as well as minimum drag condition for a steady level flight. And in this lecture you can see we will derive the expression for minimum drag. And you can see this equation, capital D, which is nothing but the total drag, is equal to av square plus b by v square. Okay, b upon b square. And the first term is for zero lift drag. I repeat, the first term is for zero lift drag and the second term is for lift induced drag. Okay, we discussed this particular equation in the previous lecture. Those who haven't seen the lecture, I have given the link of the lecture in the description box. And capital A is nothing but half rho s c d naught, and capital B is equal to 2 into k w square, that is nothing but the weight of the aircraft, upon rho s. Okay, and we also found out that zero lift drag will be increasing by increasing the velocity of the aircraft, and we also found out that there will be decreasing lift induced drag due to the increase in the velocity of the aircraft. Okay, now we have to derive the minimum drag condition, that is minimum drag expression for the aircraft, okay, when it is in a straight level flight. For that we have to differentiate equation number 1, that is with respect to the velocity, that is differentiating with equation number 1 with respect to velocity, and this should be equal to 0. Okay, this is for the minimum drag condition. Okay, and if I differentiate, I will be getting 2 times a v minus 2b by v cube. We have 1 by v square is equal to 0. Okay, and from this equation I can write this was 2a v is equal to 2b divided by v cube. Okay, and if I am solving, I'll be getting v power 4 is equal to 2b by 2a. So finally I can write v is equal to b by a the whole power 1 by 4. This is equation number 2, and this equation number 2 is nothing but the velocity for minimum drag. I can write as VMD, velocity for minimum drag. So for the expression for minimum drag is d minimum is equal to a into velocity at minimum drag square plus b divided by velocity at minimum drag square. So I will substitute this equation, that is this equation number 2 in equation number 3. This is equation number 3. Okay, substitute. I can write d minimum is equal to a into b by a the whole power 1 by 4, and this is squaring, we are squaring this term whole square, plus b divided by b by a the whole power 1 by 4, again squaring this term. Okay, so if I square this term, that is 2a power m the whole power n will be equal to a power m into n. So similarly I can write this as a into 2 into 1 by 4 will be 2 by 4 will be finally 1 by 2, b by a the whole power 1 by 2 plus b divided by b by a the whole power 1 by 2. Okay, so here we have root of a and we have root of b, and here we have capital A. Okay, so I can cancel out one root a from here, so I will be getting ab the whole power 1 by 2. Similarly here also we have root b into, I can write this as root b, that is b power 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, and we have b power 1 by 2 here, and I can cancel out 1 b power 1 by 2 from the denominator. So finally I'll be getting a b all power 1 by 2. Okay, this a is 1 by a the whole power 1 by 2. It will be going to the numerator. Finally I'll be getting a b the whole power 1 by 2. Okay, so d minimum will be equal to 2 times root ab. Okay, this I put as equation number 4. Now we have the equation, we have the expression for a and b. I'll introduce this a and b to the equation number 4. So it will be 2 times half rho s cd naught, this is nothing but capital A, into b is 2k w square divided by rho s. Okay, this is a and this is b, so I can cancel out rho s and I can cancel out 2 here. So finally I have 1 w square, so that will be coming out of the root, so it will be 2 into w. I have w square here inside the root, will be coming out 2w into root of, we have left k and cd naught, k cd naught. This is the expression for minimum drag. Okay, and this is the expression for minimum drag. And we have one more important term, that is drag at any velocity. So drag at any velocity, I have the final expression, this I put as equation number 5. Drag at any velocity, I write as dv is equal to d minimum by 2 into v minimum, that is v minimum drag, this one vmd, v minimum by v the whole square plus v by v minimum the whole square. This is the expression for velocity drag at any velocity, d minimum by 2 into v minimum by v divided over the whole power 2, that is whole square, plus v by v minimum the whole square. This is the important expression, and this can be asked in GATE examination. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. Thank you for listening. Take care.